Hello again. Here's question 37 from the 2013 exam. And the first part here. We have factory. Sometimes with these wordy questions you've got to spend a little time just thinking. So just read carefully and think for a little bit before you do anything. We've got a surface area. I'm given a surface area equation and a volume equation. Show that the height can be given as that. Okay, I'm going to combine two things that I've been told. I'm going to combine the surface area is 96 pi, and I also have an equation for the surface area. Between them I should end up with an h. Here we go. That's the surface area and that's the equation, so that I know that from those two that 96 pi equals 2 pi r into r plus h, and I will be doing some simplifying, rearranging eventually to get h equals, and anything going well it should end up looking like that. Here we go. First thing, I'll divide both sides by 2 pi, because that will get rid of the 2 pi there. Pi's go, and 2 goes into 96 48 times, and I'm feeling good because I can see 48 over here in the equation I've got to get. So I'll just write down what I've got now. I've got 48 equals r into r plus h. Right, let's divide both sides by r, because that will get rid of that one there, and I've got 48 over r equals r plus h. Subtract r from both sides, and I'll bring it over to the other side, so I get h equals 48 over r minus r. I've done two things there. I've subtracted r from both sides, and then I've just swapped either side of the equal sign. That is an equation for h. It doesn't yet look like the required look, so I must just do something else with this. I'll just go over to here. So what I've got, just carrying on, is what I had before, h equals 48 over r minus r. We want to put it in the final equation that's all over r, so I want h to be all over r. 48 is already over r, so that 48 will stay the same. This r on the right hand side at the moment is over 1. I must just change the way it looks to put it over r, so it must go over r, and you multiply by r over r, because that has a value of 1. So it won't change the value of what I've got here, but it will change the way it looks, and that will give me negative r squared over r. And let's just therefore, and that is that.